In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a client kit on Wix Studio. Our first point of action would be to navigate to the Client Kits section within your distinct Wix Studio workspace. Uncover the button labeled plus Create Client Kit and proceed to press on it. Following this, you will need to cherry-pick the Studio site for which you want to create a kit. When you've made your selection, just click on Continue to proceed to the next stage of the process. Moving on, we now have to add resources to the kit. And how do we do that, you ask? Well, within your workspace, look out for a button designated as Add Resources. Clicking this effectively allows you to either upload your unique files or select from a pre-existing collection of Wix Studio tutorial videos to include in your kit. You have the freedom to choose any method which best suits your resources. The third part of this tutorial involves the configuration of client access along with certain other details. Here, you would need to click on Agency Details. This action gives you the power to decide whether your contact information should be displayed within the kit or not. Hold on, we're not done yet. The next step is to click Your Client. This leads you to the management of recipients for your kit. Wisely, you have the choice to either add the client as a site collaborator, thereby granting them access, or if they have not been invited yet, you can select the option to make them a collaborator, or even transfer site ownership directly to them. The final stage of this sequence involves saving your kit, and then sharing it. This simple step requires you to click on Save. Captivatingly, this action does two things simultaneously. It not only saves your work, but also sends out an invite and shares the client kit at the same time. What a productive way to end this process. So there you have it. We've gone from explaining how to navigate your way to creating a client kit on Wix Studio, all the way to saving and sharing the client kit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't fret if you don't get it right the first time. Happy kit creation!